Good morning, everybody. It's about 7:30 on Wednesday morning. Sharon had to work today, so it's my job to break down the RV and get her home. Not too many people here yet, but it is the holiday weekend. It's going to be full here, I'm sure. To get that trailer out of that spot, I'm going to have to back up to here and then pull it out that way. A lot of branches in the way going forward. I pulled it in from the back here across the grass. That's exactly how I'm going to take it out. So I just have to pack up our outdoor furniture, our sewer kit, water, run the generator for a couple hours, clean out the interior, make sure I'm not leaving any debris, flush the black tank, lock everything up, and pack up to go. We surely enjoyed our first trip in the year 2022. It's about 7:45. Quiet time is over at 8 o'clock. Of course, there's a guy with his generator going. He started at 7:30. He did it every morning. It's not the quietest place, but it is beautiful, and it is close to home at a great price. So that's what we're doing this year. Saving money on gas, staying local, and getting some good use out of the trailer. It was definitely a good trip. We will be back here to Blydenburgh. I give it a top rating as far as local campgrounds go. A lot to do here. Great outdoor activities. If you like fishing, hiking, biking, boating, it's good stuff. Thank you everybody for joining me on this adventure. This is going to be the last episode of this trip. I'm just noticing our little Mama Robin is back with breakfast for her babies. I'll have to give one more check on them before we leave. One egg hatched and the other one hadn't yet the other day, and I haven't taken a camera up there yet today to see what's up there. Hopefully they're both hatched. Thanks for pushing on that button and spending some time with us here at Blydenburgh Campground in Hop Hog, Long Island. If you're new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Turn on your notifications so I can send you a notice when I upload my next video. Leave a comment below so I know that you were here. Have any questions or comments? I'd love to hear from you. If you enjoyed this content, give us a quick thumbs up. Let me know you enjoyed it. It really helps the channel to grow and be shown to more people around the world. Thank you for watching. We'll see you next time. Okay, it's a little past 8 o'clock. Got the Weber Traveler is all packed up. Toolkits. Took up the mats. The wheel covers. We need to let these dry out a while. Okay. It won't take long. Okay. Gotta clean up the interior while it's still quiet time. Let's get the cooler out of here. Alright, it's 9 o'clock on Wednesday, checkout day. Let's break down the leveling jacks. Okay, it's 9:45. Most of my breakdown is done. The water pipes are all put away. Battery's still charging. All the outside stuff is put away. All I need to do now is to pull out my X-Jocks and put away my electrical wire. Finish packing the truck up. Lock up and go pump out. I've got about an hour to do that. I just asked the ranger, he said 11 o'clock is checkout, but I'm in no hurry. His own words. Everything is closed up, secured. I stuffed pillows in the cabinets. I put all the silverware away. Anything that could move is tied down. Everything that can't move is all set to go. All right, we have to get over to the pump out station. First, we got to lock up. Always make sure this door's all the way open. Okay, we're doing our final check. Locked, chains are good, emergency, lights are plugged, this is covered, gas is off, battery's charged, locked cabinet, locked main door, all the windows are locked. We didn't use the gas station. Locks are good. Tires look good. Slide went in nicely. It did some nice repair work on the slide. Really made it nice. Okay. And the pickup is packed. Let's hit the road. It's been a heck of a 2 weeks here. It's time to leave. Alright, let me put you on the dashboard mount for the rest of the ride home. Trail is filthy from being under that tree. Maybe I could wash it at the pump out a little bit. Okay, off to the pump out. I'm starting and stopping to shake up the black tank a little bit. Nice bump. Good, that's what we need. Okay, time to pump out. All right, we're on our way home from Blydenburgh Campground. We are in Hauppauge, Long Island, in Suffolk County.
and we're heading home. Now without the trailer on, it's about a half an hour ride. With the trailer, closer to 45 minutes, and I am gonna make a gasoline stop. So it'll probably take me the better part of an hour to get home, which is really not bad in the big picture. Because to get up to the Catskills would be 4 hours to 5 hours, depending on where I go. If I went to the Adirondacks, it's as much as 8 to 12 hours, depending on where I wanna go. And you know me, I like to go far away from where people are. Now I gotta concentrate on this road. You watch these trees. They're growing into the street, so you gotta be extra careful when going down this road. And I don't care who's coming the other way. I'm not running my trailer into a darn tree. See, look at these ones on the right. Oh, my seatbelt's off. Bad old habit, kids. Always wear your seatbelts. I was born in an era where we didn't wear them, we just died. Now they want us to live forever. This is a bad turn here. Very bad visibility.